Howdy, my name is Rex Stock, and I want to tell you a little story about a magical place called Wabuska. We ask you to harness the power and join all the growth that's happening right now in beautiful northern Nevada. Wabuska, home of the world's greenest industrial park, and here's why. Like we said, it's all about harnessing the power, and at Wabuska, we have lots of ways to produce that power. Clean, green, sustainable power that starts with our geothermal plant. It's Nevada's first. From solar to wind, from bio to combined heat and power, renewable power is what makes us the world's greenest industrial park. This magical place is owned by the Egbert brothers, Corey and Andrew. They call it Homestretch Energy. It takes about an hour to get to Wabuska from Reno, but that is going to be cut in half once USA Parkway is completed in the next couple of months. Wabuska is 12 minutes away from a regional airport in Yerington and 20 minutes away from another regional airport in Silver Springs. Both airports support jet traffic, and they are convenient and safe places to fly in and fly out of. Just over the hill on USA Parkway is Tahoe Reno Industrial Center. They're the world's biggest, and we're the world's greenest. Tesla and Switch call Tri-Centered home, and they're going to need some of that power we talked about earlier. There's plenty of room to grow at Wabuska, and great topography that makes building your new factory less expensive than you ever dreamed possible. Permitting is easy, and land prices are ideal for companies looking to reduce their operating costs. As we mentioned before, Wabuska is home to Nevada's first geothermal operating plant. It's been producing power for decades using shallow wells that haven't degraded more than a remarkable 3%. Geothermal power is the lowest cost energy available, and nothing is greener. It produces clean power 24/7, rain or shine. Over the years, extensive studies have been done by world-renowned geologists and scientists from the University of Nevada, Reno, and the prestigious Desert Research Institute. All of the years of studies reveal potential to tap into an even more powerful source of geothermal energy, and we hope to be developing that very soon for some of the hungry industries that are moving into northern Nevada right now. We feel that we are an ideal place for companies concerned about ESG, and we feel strongly that our industrial park will attract lots of attention and clients based on our environmental, social, governance excellence. If you've never heard of ESG before, you will soon. More and more companies are being forced by their shareholders and their customers to adopt strict practices that adhere to ESG standards, and Wabuska will meet and exceed any of those standards. You know, we've got thousands of acres to develop even more geothermal on, but our real valuable asset is our water resource. 7.2 million gallons a day. Yes, you heard me right. 7.2 million gallons a day in the northern Nevada desert makes us one special place indeed. We are classified as a utility, and we've been selling power to the grid since 1989. Transmission lines run north and south, east and west, and are adjacent to our land. Oh, and that water? It powers our geothermal organic Rankine machines and then comes out hot at 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which means we have the ability to heat and cool your factory at a fraction of what it would cost using power coming off the grid. And that hot water also means we are ideal for low-cost, high-output organic greenhouses, organic aquaponic operations that grow superfoods and organic fish, ice production for nearby agricultural, combined heat and power, world-class data centers, and much, much more. Our land is flat and gets full exposure to the sun, making, of course, ground-mounted solar a natural. And because of our water, we can also do high-efficiency solar production using our proprietary tracking system that no one else in the world can do. Talk about green. We are going to employ concentrated solar to heat up our current well water and maximize geothermal power output. Because just over the hill, as mentioned before, are lots of energy-hungry companies who will need our clean, renewable energy and maybe even some of our water. We can do it all at Wabuska, and so can you. If you're considering expanding to northern Nevada, and why wouldn't you be, we ask that you please check in and see what advantages Wabuska can offer you, your company, your families, and your employees. We'll keep your energy costs low while enabling you to tell your shareholders and customers you are a green, responsible company. and you get to live in beautiful northern Nevada. On top of all that, you'll enjoy tremendous business advantages by locating your operations at Wabuska, including generous state incentives, low tax structures, low labor rates, easy permitting, and a fantastic area to raise your family and grow that business of yours. Please let us know how we can help. We want to thank you for your time. We hope you've enjoyed learning more about Wabuska. The Egbert family would love to have you come out and see this magical place, and you can see why this is truly the world's greenest industrial park. Thank you. This is Rex Stock, and we'll be talking with you again soon. Take care.